So we've been here since 1955. We be the fourth generation to run this 800-acre dairy farm. We milk right around 250 cows. We've been a locally family farm. We don't have any hired help, just generations of family. Hi, I'm Albert Gramer.
And I'm Matt Gramer.
And we are here with Gramer Farms LLC in Fenton, Michigan. The top three favorite features of the RoboRebel would be the consistency of it and the reliability and the amount of milk production. It's paid for itself since it's been here.
Our cows respond to the RoboRebel immediately. As soon as it takes off, once it starts beeping, the cows get up out of the free stalls, come walk. They know they're getting their feet pushed up to them. When we first got the RoboRebel installed, we thought it was more of a want to have it, and now we know it's more of a need to have.
I would have to say the RoboRebel saves us at least 3 to 5 hours a day. If you take out the time where you're not worried about stopping what you're doing in the field, or for one guy to come up to push feed up to the cows, it's been a very big difference for us, for all crops involved in harvest, to not have to worry about coming back up here because the RoboRebel's doing its job.
It's nice knowing that your feed's getting pushed up if you get stuck out, stuck longer than on a job than you should have. If chopping take longer. We run it 18 times a day now. It's very consistent on the hour, every hour. One of the most impressive stats we've had with the RoboRebel is the gain in milk production. It has been around a 3 to 5 pound increase.
It was instantaneously, as soon as we put it in, you saw the milk production go up. You start seeing the benefits of it as soon as it's running.
We've noticed with the RoboRebel, the intake has gone up. They don't seem to sort it out as much because it's consistently being pushed up through them. They don't waste as much. You're not scooping the feed up and cleaning out your feeders as often as you did before. One nice feature on the RoboRebel is the hand controls. The cow bumps into it. If you have a gate that got left open on accident or something like that, when you come up to the RoboRebel, anybody can easily switch it on manual, drive it to where it needs to be, get it back pushing feed up how you need it to.
Maintenance on a RoboRebel is very minimal. You have to spend some time doing a little bit of maintenance, maybe once a month. It's just smart to pick it up and clean the magnet out underneath it and put a little bit of grease on it. But other than that, it is very reliable for it to do its job.
If I had to describe the RoboRebel in one word, I would say it's efficient. It's both cost efficient, feed efficient. Definitely helps with your time efficiency on your farm.
Consistency. The health of our cows have gotten better since we started with GEA in the RoboRebel. To bring new technology into our farm has been really something that Matt and I have worked on trying to do. With the improvements that we're going to do in the next 5 to 10 years and bring more automated stuff into the farm, the RoboRebel was a very good start, showing people the improvements that it'll make to your operation and how much better it is on the cattle.